Today we have to discuss about the topic is odontoma in odontogenic tumor. It is a odontogenic tumor because the tumor is developed from the tooth forming tissue structure. It contains both epithelial and mesenchymal cells, so called composite odontoma. The composite is nothing but it is contain more than one type of tissue. It fails to the morpho differentiation but complete histodifferentiation. The histodifferentiation, which means the complete formation of enamel dentin pulp, but they are disorganized or misorganized, arranged in manner for look like that is not properly developed because of the it is may sometimes small, it is sometimes may vary in the pattern. Look like this here, like this manner, small tooth like structure. It is a hematomatous malformation rather than neoplasm, which means it is not a neoplasm, it is a hematomatous malformation. What is hematomatous malformation? The hematomatous is nothing but it is the abnormal mixture of cells and tissue, and it is a limited growth potential because there is no further development, there is no area occupied in the jaw, it is occupied less area only. It is divided into two types, one is compound, another one is complex. For better understanding manner, the compound is like a half boil, the half boil which present in the pan. Here is the enamel dentin, here is the pulp. But complex is look like a omelette, it is a mixed manner. We go to the concept, the enamel dentin pulp are organized in manner like half boil and anatomically resembles like normal teeth, which look like teeth in back. In complex type, it is disorganized manner like omelette, disorganizedly arranged and irregular mass, no anatomic resemblance of tooth, and look like sunburst appearance. Etiology, there is a unknown etiology but suggested that it may be due to the local trauma or infection, sometimes mutation, sometimes inheritance, and also the hyperactivity of the dental lamina. In clinical features, it is mostly seen in the second decade of life, especially 14 years of age. It is asymptomatic. The patient may feel the tooth not erupted, so the patient consulted the dentist. The dentist suggested that it may be the radiographic examination. In the radiographic examination, the dentist may be see that odontoma. So it is discovered only in the radiograph, routine radiograph. It is very small. Previously we talked about that it is a limited growth potential, so it is very small, but sometimes large that leads to the expansion of jaw. Mostly maxilla are affected. In compound type, mostly anterior maxilla are affected. In complex type, mostly posterior mandible are affected. In radiography, the compound odontoma is a collection of tooth, which means the tooth in a back appearance. In complex odontoma is a calcified masses and thin radiolucent rim. It is a calcified mass surrounded by a thin radiolucent rim. It is also associated with unerupted teeth. This odontoma prevent the eruption of the tooth. It is also present between the two root, between the erupted root. Here this look like this. In histology, in compound type, it is small single rooted teeth present in a loose fibrous matrix. The loose fibrous matrix is nothing but, we for the better understanding manner, the loose fibrous matrix is a pan. The pan is a loose fibrous matrix. This half boil is a enamel dentin pulp matrix. So it is, we will see that loose fibrous matrix and pulpal tissue is present in the coronal and root portion, and developing compound odontoma is resemble like tooth bud. Tooth bud is the presence of stellate reticulum, ameloblast cells are present in the developing odontoma. In histology, it is enamel space. The enamel space is nothing but it is due to the decalcification during the slide preparation. So, as a result, formation of enamel space. The enamel matrix are decalcified. Here the predentine, here the odonoblast. The fibroblast is nothing but previously we talked about the story. This is the pan in omelette. This is a fibroblast. In compound odontoma, mature tubular dentin also present and hollow or circular structure will be present because this is look like this. Here is the mature tubular dentin and a hollow structure is present. The hollow structure is nothing but it is due to the enamel matrix that get decalcified. So the hollow structure will be formed. Sometimes the enamel will be contained. This is a mature enamel. Immature enamel. This is a immature enamel. Presence of ghost cells also seen. What is ghost cells? The ghost cells are nothing but it is eosinophilic and a lack of organelles and filled with keratin or calcified materials are called as ghost cells. The ghost cells are also seen. Cementum is present at periphery and small amount of enamel matrix which is immaturely present. Here is the small amount of enamel matrix which is immature. The treatment is simple local excision is the only treatment. It gives the excellent prognosis. Thank you.